In this tutorial, we will learn about the leads in Bitrix CRM software. So what we will learn is basically how we can create the leads, and after creating leads, how we can transfer it into the contact and companies. So after logging into the Bitrix CRM software, in this menu bar, you can find the option CRM. Under the CRM options, on the top side of menu bar, you will find leads, contacts, companies, and all this information. Now first we will understand what is the lead. Lead is the basic information of the prospective customers. How we can get the leads? So there are so many sources. The major sources are online information from Just Dial or Grotal, or some another sources like we can get the leads details from hoarding of the institutions, coaching classes, and their advertisement boards and paper advertisement. From so many sources we can get the leads. We can get the leads from the information. So lead is nothing but the main information of the coaching classes where we can communicate with these leads. So before communicating with these leads, we are creating one record into the Bitrix CRM software. So there are two ways to create the leads. So one way is we can create one by one record, and another way is we can import the leads in a bulk quantity. So in these lessons, we will understand how we can create the one record. So under the lead, we can click on this add button, or here we can click on just plus button, and we can create the lead. To create the lead, we need at least the name of coaching institute and its mobile number or any phone number details. So put the lead name as a coaching class name. It may be a institute or college name as well. Along with the lead name, put its city name. So now we are creating the leads with Nadi coaching classes Karjat. The same information we need to put into the last name. If we are having more information about the owner of classes or any concerned person, then we are going to create that contact as well. So we are putting this contact information, say Mr. Kiran Nale, and he is the owner. So likewise we can create, suppose if it is a college lead, then we can put the name of principal. When we are having 2-3 teachers in particular institutes, so we can put teacher's name or subject teacher's name here. So this is just the basic information of coaching institute along with its teacher name. But the compulsory information we need is at least the name of coaching classes. So we are putting this coaching classes name in the lead name as well as in the last name. And we need the mobile number or landline number. So if we have more information like email address or website, so we can type the details. Even we can mention here the sources, how we got these leads. So after this, just click on the save button. So this is the way how we can create one by one lead. So when we create the lead, one by one or in a bulk quantity, we can search that lead into this lead options. Now we can search this, say this particular lead. So now I have these two leads. So I have created this particular lead. So to process this lead, I can complete from here as well, or I can open this lead and process this lead. So how I can process these leads means I have to communicate with this particular lead, so I can understand this lead is junk lead or this is something important for us who can be a prospective customers. So now I know that this is the important lead and he can be our prospective customer. So I this complete this lead and convert it into the contact and company. So now I can able to create contact and company of this lead. So in the next lesson we will understand what is contact and company.